Today I'm going to show a very important video about what all is present in the maternal and child health kit. Let's get started. This kit is issued by the government free of cost for all antenatal mothers who are registered in the government primary health centers. So let's have a look what are all present in this kit. So let us open and see what's inside. Yes. So this is how it looks on the interior side. So this is a ghee bottle. I think it should be half a liter. Aavin ghee bottle. A towel for the mother. Dates. It's 2 pack, so it's 1 kg dates. And you have iron syrup 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And you have this propial protein powder 1 and 2. Yes, it is 500 grams. So you have 1 kg of protein powder. And you have a cute little cup. What else? Yes. And one last thing is this deworming tablet Albendazole 400 milligrams. So this is how the contents in the kit looks, and this is given free of cost by government of Tamilnadu to all the antenatal mothers who are registered in government primary health centers. So this is one great initiative. As you could see, the contents of it is so very beneficial for all the mothers, especially if a mother is suffering from anemia. So if you have a nearby PHC, do register so that you could get these protein and ghee and hematinic syrups, as well as you would get the RCH ID, which is very essential for baby's birth certificate. Okay, I will do a separate video for that. So this is the entire package present in the maternal kit. So do check it out, get the benefits of it. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mommified. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press on that notification bell icon.